All right, this is Mr. Nunn's class. We're about to take the babies out today. We're gonna have a marshmallow battle. We're gonna use our catapults. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I don't know what's gonna happen, but as you can see, they all have their safety goggles on. Let's go down the line. Wave to the camera. They're ready. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Pew. Alright. I need one of my babies to tell me what we're about to do. Let me pick somebody. Let's see. You. What's about to happen?
About to have a marshmallow fight. It's gonna go down. Girls versus boys. You don't already know the girls gonna win. There's more girls than boys.
Oh, did you hear that, people? Did you hear that, viewers? Let's see what some of the fellas got to say about this. Let's see, who can I get to back that up? Oh, yeah. Only one other person. Percolate, what do you think?
No matter how many girls, the boys still gonna win, cause it's mankind and they got one man.
That's gonna be on it. All right, everybody take the cowboys and fire that Mr. Nunn. Walk down the steps. Okay, ladies, fire away! Oh, ow, 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 ow! Go ahead. Oh! All right. Okay, boys, go like this.
So the boys claim they won, but they know the girls won. And most of the girls broke because we was fighting so hard. And most of all, it was fun.
Well, some girls think that they won, but we won mostly because we hit them all. Well, my catapult broke because I was aiming so hard at them, so I just used my hand, and that's when we started to win.
So, was it a fun experience?
Yeah, and it was mostly water.
The boys think they won, but they don't. Boys think they're stronger than girls, but I can really beat them up. In cheerleading.
Okay. So, did you have fun with the marshmallow catapults?
Yes.
Okay, viewers, as you can see, my children really love that marshmallow battle. So, hey, the best behaved children at Betsy Ross School, we're about to make a movie about us with a marshmallow challenge battle. Are you excited, boys and girls? Who's gonna win, boys or girls? All right, who are we? What do we want? I need one person to come up to this camera and tell the camera. Jay Bird, come on over here and tell the camera what's about to go down today. Come on over here. Talk to the camera. Here we go. And action.
We're gonna have a war of marshmallows.
All right, are you excited?
Yes.
Who's gonna win?
Me.
You gonna win? All right. Let's give her a round of applause. Can I get it? Well, we have to have some protection, so right now I gotta get my babies protected with the eye gear. So I'm gonna call them down to the cozy corner. Watch this. Come to the cozy corner. Look at my children. My children. Wait to the camera. All right. Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm definitely excited.
All right. All right.
I'm super excited.
Okay. Who's a really good shot?
Me!
a good shot? All right. Girls, who's gonna win? Girls or boys?
Boys!
All right, viewers, you heard it. It's gonna be a battle. It's gonna go down. All right, let's find out what happened. Wait to the camera. You can touch your lens. Why are you wearing those lenses?
To protect our eyes when we fling at each other.
I think they're ready, viewers. Let's go see what's going to happen with these babies. Let's go. Let's get some. Ooh, rocket, good shot. Are they going to the? It was a good day today. My kids love that catapult challenge. So I'm signing off. I just want to tell the viewers that today was a very good day. We love making movies. It was an awesome experience. You should see their faces. It was just full of excitement and joy. I do have the best kids. I really know that. All right, guys, this is for you. Thank you. Who are we?
The marshmallow challenge was really fun, and I liked shooting the marshmallows.
What's the marshmallow challenges today?
I really liked it here because we had to flick people in the head. I like the marshmallow challenge because I flicked each other about 3 times.
Talk to me about the marshmallow challenge. What did you think about it?
Well, I think it was fun because it was boys versus girls, and well, I think no one won the Smash Challenge.